Welcome. In this short video, I'm going to show you how to upload an event to the Chamber website. First, you'll want to navigate to aurorachamber.com to log in and begin the process. Once you arrive on the homepage, you'll see this blue login button in the top right-hand corner of the page. We'll click on that button, which will take us to the login screen. On this screen, you'll want to enter your username and password and click sign in. If for some reason you don't remember your username or password, simply click this forgot button at the bottom. And if you've never signed in before, you can click right here to say no login created and start your sign up. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself right here on the home page of the Member Information Center. Once inside the Member Information Center, we want to navigate to the Events tab at the very top of the screen. Inside of the Events tab, this is what you'll be able to see. You'll have a view of events that have already been uploaded to the Member Information Center. You'll also be able to see events you've registered for or attended in the past. Today, we're interested in uploading a job. To start the process, you'll click Add Event, this green button right here at the top of the events screen. Then you'll have a set of fields that will pop up to fill in and update the information for your event. So in this case, I'm going to say my event is going to be a super awesome spring bash. And the date is going to be on April 1st. The event has no recurrence. And instead of an all-day event, I'm going to uncheck that and say, actually, my super awesome spring bash starts at 5 p.m. and it ends at 8 p.m. So I'll put the time and information. Here in the details, I can type about my event. So I'll say my super awesome spring bash is going to be a block party in Aurora on the west side. This is a made-up event, so type any details here you want, fill in the rest. You can format this information just like you would in a Word document or any other place. So you can add color to your text. You can make text bold and format it different ways. Feel free to have some fun with this. The way it shows in this box is the way it will show on our website. So go ahead and put it in here the way you want it to show. This meta description is really important. This is what helps search engines make sure to find your information. It's a quick summary of your content. And same thing, so this is not viewed on the internet, the search description is. So this meta description, I'm going to use some keywords here. I'm going to say, I'm going to call it a super awesome spring bash. I'm going to call it a block party. I'm going to use the word Aurora. Essentially think of these as keywords. And then your search description, if you have a shorter, quick sentence you want to show, maybe I've got a significant amount more information in this text, but I just want this first sentence to show in my search description. Then I'll say the location, I'll give an address. So you're just going to go through and fill in this information. You'll fill in your date and time information again. If there's fee for your event, fill it in here. If there's an event contact person, you'll want to add them here. And of course, a website for people to get more information. This is where you're going to want to fill in all that contact information. Then in the categories, make sure that you click on the category of member events. That's going to be an important one so that it shows in that category, and then any other categories that apply. So here for my block party bash, I'm going to say this is a community event. There's arts and culture involved, and we're going to be having some sports contests, so I'll include that as well. And then if you have any photos, upload them down here. It tells you what you're looking for. When you go to add image, it'll give you a little bit more information about the dimensions that you'll want to upload. So it'll help you through that process. You've got a lot available to you. You can choose to have the location for your event show via Google Map, or you can upload a map image if that makes the most sense for your event. So you'll want to fill that in so that it can populate the map. And then if you have a YouTube video, the last step is going to be to submit for approval. Once you submit, the event will not automatically populate onto the website. Instead, under your events, you'll see pending approval. Once a chamber staff member reviews it, says, yes, this was indeed an event submitted by a member, this is completely appropriate for our website, we'll go ahead and accept that event, and then it will show here as approved. You can preview what the event will look like while you're waiting for approval. It'll show you the preview on our website, so you can see exactly what the text that you entered will look like. You can take a look at how your photos are showing and make sure that it looks exactly the way you want. So I recommend you use that preview button. You can always add more events here. You can also manage your events. So if you've got other events you've uploaded, you can click on them and you can click in to edit and edit all of that same information we just looked at. If you're going to have a second super awesome fall bash and you want to go ahead and upload that, you can hit copy and it'll update. All that information will be pre-populated so you can edit from there. And then again, you can save as draft or submit for approval. Make sure you submit for approval when you're ready for it to be populated on the website. Once it's been approved on the events page of our website, you'll be able to see all of the other events alongside of yours with the images that you've added. You can scroll through and see what's going on in the community and the region. There's a lot of events already on here. You can also look at it in calendar view. So lots of ways to take a look at the information. If you have any questions on this or any other part of your membership, we encourage you to reach out to us. You can find all of our contact information right on our website at aurorachamber.com. You can view a staff directory and get our individual contact information for staff members. Or if you're not sure who to contact, you can always fill out this contact form on our website and just tell us what you're interested in. Maybe it's events, maybe it's ribbon cuttings, maybe you've got questions about any number of things. You can fill them in here and that'll get to us so we can get you to the right staff member. Thank you so much for watching this video, and we look forward to seeing you very soon.